Now imagine being able to make up to $500 each day simply by inputting names online. I mean, how fantastic would that be? Here's how it works in detail. Now, if you type one word or one name, such as David, you will be paid. And if you type another name, such as Jennifer, you'll be paid again. This is an amazing opportunity, and here is exactly how much money you can make. You can earn $15 if you typed one page of names, $75 if you typed 5 pages, $300 if you typed 20 pages every day. The best part is that there is no limit to this. You can type as much as you want and earn as much money as you want. You can do this on your phone or on your computer, and it is completely free and available globally. Make sure you remain tuned until the end so you don't miss out on the sign-up process, which is actually quite difficult and most people get it wrong. Also, I'll be giving you another bonus website that earns 3 times as much as other websites. Let's get started with the video. As you can see, we can estimate how much money you can earn from this branding chance by using the calculator on this website. Pay attention to the rate per word, which indicates how much money you can earn per word that you write. In this case, it's 50 cents in US dollars, and one page typically has 300 words. For example, in this typing name project, right here is page number 1, right here is page number 2, and right here is page number 3. And for each of these pages, you can get paid simply by typing names. Now let me show you this page where we can actually get paid $15 for a total word count of up to 300 words. And you can see this is actually one word if you look down below. When you scroll down, you'll notice that there are a total of 300 names, each of which represents 300 words. And you may make $15 each page simply by typing names on this website. Consider that at $15 a page, we can receive up to 20 pages per day, implying that we can easily earn $300 or $400 per day, simply by typing names on this website. First and foremost, I would like you to visit this website, talentdesigner.com. Earn money from home without putting in any effort, and this opportunity is completely free. You don't need to invest any money or time to get started. You can see if they provide various opportunities to work from home by scrolling down below, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, and a variety of other professions. But for the purpose of this video, we'll concentrate on the online typing job because it's one of the easiest things you can do on this website, and it takes no prior experience or skill. To read more, I want you to click on this red button right here. Take a look at this. You can make money from around $13,500 to $27,000 each year. This is a fantastic opportunity for people from all over the world. Now, in terms of the joining expenses, you can see that registration is free, that there are no hidden costs before or after joining, and that they never ask about investment at any point. This is completely free and worldwide opportunity. Now, we can see that depending on your skill level, you will be paid varying amounts ranging from beginners to experts. I'll give you a secret additional tip in a moment that will help you earn a better rate. You can see here that even if you're a total beginner, you can get paid at an expert level. And I'll teach you the method in a minute, and no one else is aware of it. So right now, I'm going to teach you the first bonus trick that will help you earn a larger rate simply by inputting names online. I'd like you to visit rawtatype.com. Basically, this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test. And I want you to click on this yellow button right here to go to the page where we can start typing on our phones or computers. I'd like you to go ahead and click and start typing, then click on the yellow button. And I'd like you to do the speed typing test since this website offers you a free certificate. Now you can actually get the certificate for free, and I'll teach you how in this video. The reason you need a typing certificate is because it will increase your income and your earnings per page. If you want to make $15 for every page you write, make sure you have the certificate. This is the greatest secret because even if you're brand new, having the certificate to prove to them that you can type will help you get approved much faster. You can obtain a high earning rate and an endless job opportunity, which means you may earn up to $300 or even $400 per day just by typing names. So keep an eye out for further information on how to get this free certificate and how to finish your application on talentdesire.com. As you can see, when you start typing on this page, it calculates how many words per minute you can type as well as your accuracy. The term accuracy refers to whether or not you type any spelling or typing errors. As you can see, your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%. And the higher your accuracy, the more money you may make. But taking a typing test and completing our certificate on this website, you can show your typing speed and accuracy, which will result in higher pay rates. Let me show you a real-life example of how to take this test right now and obtain your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. Once I complete typing, they'll show me my typing speed and my accuracy. This is my actual findings. So if your speed is slower or your accuracy is less than 98%, don't worry. You may return to this website and retake the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the findings, scroll down to the bottom of the page and join up for a free account by clicking this link. You can create a free account by entering your name, email address, and a password, and then clicking the Create Account button. Click I accept the terms and conditions and sign up by clicking the yellow button. As you can see, I type in my name, email address, and password. Then I click this button, and once I've signed up for a free account, I'll come back here and log in. You can see my name right here on my dashboard, and here is my typing speed and also my accuracy. Now we'll just scroll down to my certificate, which you can see here. Simply click on my certificate to be taken to this website, which you can see here, and they even show you the radatype.com signature to prove the certificate is legitimate. This certificate is actually quite helpful to you, and you will be paid at a much greater rate if you use it. Keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesigner.com, and you'll be able to start receiving typing jobs and projects like this one right here. And you'll be able to earn $15 over and over. Now if you scroll down below here, you can actually click on the print button right here. Don't worry, you can do this on your computer or your phone. All you have to do is save the image of your certificate or save as a PDF file by clicking the Save button. This is my actual certificate, which I received for free from Radatype. You can start applying for these jobs once you get the certificate. So let's go to talentdesigner.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this red button, Apply Now. And then you'll be taken to this page where you can start applying for your job. But please pay close attention and watch this video until the end, because the registration page here is very important. Now, once you've arrived on this page, scroll down to see what's available. Select an application, and you'll be sent to this screen, where you can pick if it's an online or offline application, although it will default to an online application if you scroll down. After clicking on this red link, you'll be taken to this page, where you'll find an online application form for work from home jobs. I just want you to go down here and check for the small red link right here and fill in your information to apply and work. As you can see, the registration page on this website is actually quite hidden. If you can't find the registration page, re-watch the video. You can also bookmark or save this video to your playlist and watch it later. When you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information. The first thing you'll need to do is click this and accept the privacy policy. Then enter your first and last name, as well as your email address and phone numbers and your country. If we scroll down, we can see that they welcome people from all over the world, including India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and more. Moving on to the next step. Basically, it's about your professional information. It's a very important section, and most individuals get it wrong on the first try. Now, I'd like you to fill in the Professional Data Entry Specialist job title section. Very important for you to type the job titles like this one, and then what time is best for you. Then click on this down arrow here, and you can actually see it here whenever you want. But I want you to choose all day because that will give you more opportunities and more jobs, which mean you can earn more money, and you can also choose between PayPal, Payoneer, Direct Deposit, or Skrill as your preferred method of receiving your profits by clicking on this down arrow here. So for me, I'd use PayPal. Now you scroll down below to your current profession status, and you can choose one of the statuses right here. In this case, self-employed. And once you fill in all of the details, you can actually click on this "Yes, I have read and accept the statement," and also your signature. You just have to put in your full name right here and click on "I am not a robot." And lastly, click Submit button. And once accepted, you can start receiving typing jobs like this, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words on one page, and another $15 on the second page, and another $15 on page number 3, and so on. You can earn $15 for every single page that you type, which I encourage you to submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more jobs.